Dimes worth a lot of money that you don't want to miss. This coin right here is a 1997 dime and it's sold for $1,675. You have to be very careful when buying or selling on a platform like eBay because there are people out there looking to take advantage of us. If you're buying coins, the safest way to do so is to find a reputable coin dealer or buy them in an already graded holder, which will guarantee the authenticity and the grade of the coin. The last thing you want to do is buy a coin and later realize that you got ripped off. Do your homework and research because this coin right here is simply damaged. Now, an easy way to tell if you have a damaged coin that is not an error is if it looks like there are big gashes and nicks in the coin. This coin simply looks like it was struck with a hard object multiple times and then someone found it and said, hey, this is a rare error coin. I'm going to sell it online for a good amount of money. But in reality, this coin is only worth 10 cents. This coin, on the other hand, is a genuine error coin that sold for $4,500. Now you may be telling yourself, hey, old money prices, that is not a dime. You're correct, but it was struck on a silver dime planchet. Planchet just means the piece of metal the coin is struck on. That's why it looks this color. I thought it was cool, so I would throw it in here. You can also see that it was graded by NGC as a mint error, mint state 64. That means it's uncirculated and never went out of pocket change. The weight of the coin is 2.5 grams. That's a great way to see if you have an error coin or not is by weighing it. Now do keep in mind that there is a 10% variability acceptance rate for the US Mint. That means if the coin weighs 10% more or less than it should be, that falls into the category of being okay. Now if it goes outside of that 10%, that means you could have a rare error coin like this one. Not only was it struck on a wrong planchet, but it was triple struck. That means the hub came down 3 different times on this single coin, causing this look. If you have a rare coin like this, keep it safe because $4,500 this one sold for. The Coin and Currency Mastermind class is now live. Click the link below for more information and I'll see you inside.